Scoop some soil from the wild. Put it in an ecosystem tank. Let it develop for 100 days. Which organism will dominate? We sample soil and water from a swamp. We bring home a primitive microecosystem. We create a small world for them. Spread the soil in the tank. Cover it with white sand. Add swamp water. Countless life forms will begin their fierce, the survival battles begin. First, we notice a tiny bug. It resembles an alien. It drills its way out of the soil. Soon, a pine weevil larva appears on the glass. Its skill is crafting armor. It quickly weaves a mobile fortress from leaves and duckweed. Amazingly, it forms an air barrier around itself. It has a diving tank on its head to breathe underwater. A true talent. Look, a charming little snail. But its body seems altered. It's likely overtaken by parasitic worms. Its survival will be harder than other normal snails. Unlike the skilled tantail bugs, they can gather chakra under their feet to walk on water. Their limbs are incredibly strong. With their tails, they can soar into the sky. Such prodigies are rare. Most are just ordinary little creatures. These algae lack any extraordinary traits. When exposed to a flashlight, they cluster together and primarily serve as a food source. However, they multiply quickly. To control their numbers, we rely on two small fish that eat hundreds of algae daily. Additionally, we introduced various aquatic plants and seaweed into the tank. After several days, a formidable creature emerged. It was a fighting fish larva. It was aggressive and strong. It could hunt small fish. Among the algae, a top entity appeared. It was called boss skin. Its blood-red eyes stood out. It was larger than regular algae, but still small overall. True powerhouses have top abilities, like this hydra. Its tentacles are venomous. They paralyze prey. Each cell functions independently. Even if it's split into many pieces, each fragment can grow into a new organism. A truly eternal body, quite terrifying. With so much talent here, why not add some external foes? Enter the cherry shrimp, ready to stir things up. Meanwhile, the pine weevil larva has retreated into its nest. It devours duckweed and expels waste. The green pellets slowly sink to the bottom. The cherry shrimp eagerly consume the waste. They are truly pitiable. Meanwhile, the demonic snail grows stronger daily. It tirelessly lifts stones. A few days later, the pine weevil's home sticks to the tank wall. But the creature is gone. Looking around, a beautiful moth hangs upside down. It seems to have reached enlightenment. The moth has transformed and is ready for a broader world. The tank has changed from a stagnant pool to a thriving ecosystem. Various organisms are fiercely competing for space. Who do you think will ultimately rule this world?